as a petitioner, I was concerned by the manner, including the lack of public participation and the hurried way in which the sale of Safaricom was being conducted. So we went to court, and the Chief Justice, Martha Koome, empaneled a bench of 3, a very high-powered bench, to hear the petition on the 29th of June, this 11 days from now. And we were ready together with the lead counsel and everybody else to go and argue our case. So I got a notice from the Court of Appeal that we go to court to argue the issue of lifting of conservatory orders on the 29th. And so the lawyers advised that we go to the Court of Appeal in the morning and we go to the High Court in the afternoon. That would have been okay because both rulings would have come at the same time. There would have been no effect of one or the other. Then from nowhere, the date was moved forward to the 18th. And today, when we went before the court, Samuel Kahara Macharia, the third respondent, has not been served. He has not received any of these applications. He has driven all the way from Thika to come to try and find justice. The court has shut him out, told him until 12 o'clock he must respond. He's a layman. He has no lawyer on record. He has been told he must file very complex documents and be able to put them in court by 12 o'clock. The court is proceeding anyway.
But it's a matter of grave national interest, and we are very concerned about the hurried manner in which this administration wants to dispose of Kenyan heritage. We are talking about 204 billion shillings that the Treasury wants to get out of this sale of the 15%, effectively making Vodafone the majority shareholder. So what that actually means is even the CEO and everything else will be governed by the law relating to who is in the majority shareholding position. So effectively, Safaricom, together with M-Pesa and everything, will have been sold off. This is why we are still in court.